This video will show you how to disassemble and then reassemble the Exotic Nutrition Silent Runner wheel. Knowing this process can be very helpful, especially if you are looking to replace the regular track with a sandy track to help trim your pet's nails, or to install the cage attachment. The wheel comes in three options: small, regular, and wide. Although the sizes vary, the assembly process is identical. In this example, we will be using a regular size silent runner. Let's get started. The first step of disassembly is unscrewing the wing nut on the back side of the wheel to remove it from the stand. Once that is complete, we will remove the metal spacer and bolt running through the ball bearings. Set the powder-coated stand and hardware aside for now. The next step is to open up the wheel by carefully separating the front and back panels from the running track. You can now remove the inside paper, which includes detailed assembly instructions and images on the back. After you've completed this step, remove the track and the plastic connector piece holding the track together and set them aside. If you are installing a standard track, be sure that the textured side faces inward. If you are replacing the standard track with a sandy track, snap the new track into the molded edge of the solid back panel with the sandy side facing inward. Once the track is snapped in place, use the plastic connector to join both ends of the track. Take the remaining front panel and snap it to the unconnected side of the track. This may take a few minutes. Carefully squeeze the perimeter of the wheel to ensure that there's a tight connection all the way around. If you are looking to attach the wheel to the powder-coated stand provided, reverse the previous instructions by feeding the bolt through the bearings. Slide on the spacer and guide the remainder of the bolt through the hole in the stand. Finally, tighten the wing nut on the back side of the stand to complete your assembly. If you are attaching your wheel to the side of a cage using the cage attachment, be sure to use the included hardware as it slightly differs from the original hardware. Guide the bolt through the bearings, followed by the metal spacer on the back side. Place one of the two metal plates on the bolt after the spacer. This plate will be on the inside of the cage. Guide the remaining visible bolt through the cage wiring where you'd like it to be placed. Make sure it is in a safe and easily accessible area for your pet. Finally, slide on the outside plate and firmly tighten down the wing nut to the bolt. You have now completed the assembly of your silent runner wheel with cage attachment and sandy track accessories. For any other questions or to shop from our selection of hundreds of other great exotic pet supplies, visit us online at www.exoticnutrition.com.